This is Bo. Bo loves the camera. Isn't he beautiful? Come on, you gotta look up. He doesn't even want to look at the camera. Bo is a wonderful, wonderful dog. He's a big boy. He's 6 years old. He's just kind of do. He just walks nice on a leash, and he's just sweet. He's a little on the plump side. So I think he needs to do a couple of walks and get a little bit of that weight off. 6 really is not that old to have this much junk in the trunk, but he's very sweet. He does great with other dogs. So far, it doesn't seem like he wants to be their best friend, but he leaves everybody alone, and he just always finds his one little spot that he wants to lay down. When he's with us, he follows us everywhere. Highly food motivated. I think he's going to be one of those dogs that's always watching you cook and watching the game with you and watching your stories with you. He's a nice, wonderful dog, and come down to the Rifle Shelter and meet him. He's absolutely adorable. His name is Bo, and we are located right across the street from Rifle High School. Huh, buddy? Yeah. Handsome. He's loving this. He is loving this right now.
He's a lay around dog.
He is. He's a layabout. He layabout.